I decided to study electrical engineering technologies when I was in Iraq in 2020. When I was on deployment, I had a professor from this campus. It was the only school I applied for. When I got in, it was great. The program has taught me a lot about troubleshooting. We start by learning the fundamentals, and then we use those fundamentals in the labs. I thought of the idea for my final project from my internship at Walmart Advanced Systems Robotics. My job there is to design and test different parts of the robot that we build there. For my project, I chose to spin a step servo motor to kind of make a different sound at different speeds. So I'm using this light sensor right here, the photodiode. Depending on what that light is, then you will be able to spin the motor faster and give it that higher frequency, a little higher humming. My thought process was to use that where I can kind of play a tune depending on how much light there is. My hands-on experience here at UNH Manchester has been really helpful. I have a job lined up as a systems engineering level 2 at BAE, which is a defense contractor agency. UNH Manchester has been a great choice for me.